What's the meaning of Caucasian? Caucasian. Caucasian.
Caucasian. Caucasian. The term Caucasian refers to a racial classification used to describe people of European, Middle Eastern, and North African ancestry. The term originated in the 18th century when German philosopher Johann Friedrich Blumenbach classified humans into 5 categories based on physical characteristics, with the Caucasian category being the most distinguished and advanced. Today, the use of the term is controversial, as it is considered by many to be outdated and based on flawed ideas of race. Some prefer the term Europeans or people of European descent to describe individuals historically classified as Caucasian.